SpaceSwap is a one-stop station for all major DeFi service. This can be your one-stop destination for your DeFi service that you're watching for. SpaceSwap project innovations. Striving to eliminate the drawbacks and flaws of the initial version 1.0 protocol, SpaceSwap presented the initial version 1.0 protocol. SpaceSwap presented the upgraded and improved version 2.0 here. So, they are following these kind of improvements right here. Rethinking and refining of the tokenomics model and process of coin emission. Issuing of the unique shake coin that controls the amount of milk-to coin for decentralizing inflation. During the process of milk-to shake swap, the coin will be burned immediately. However, during the reverse exchange shake milk-to, the price will be lowered by milk-10 milk-to so as to prevent instant aggregate. Creation of a roadmap with a new innovative DeFi service on board. The current yield farming system with its two native coins is a real game changer. No other project has two interchangeable coins with multi-functionality and guaranteed liquidity. The SpaceSwap team follows its own Milky Way by presenting Interstellar, Gravity Galaxy, and many other products. SpaceSwap Gravity is a platform for stablecoin aggregate which allows users to earn additional milk to reverse. Gravity is aimed at addressing stablecoin volatility on the DeFi market. The platform will offer higher reward in the pool that achieve nominal value. The reward decreases if and when the price is the pool is higher than nominal. All in all, the system simulates the sales of expensive assets and the purchase of those at a low cost. Gravity has its own separate smart contract. Milk-to will be issued from within the Gravity system in direct accordance with the community vote held prior to its launch. When a certain coin falls in value, the API rates change immediately. The farming scheme lies in the fact that below-peg stablecoin pools are more rewarding than the above-peg one. This motivates people to sell their above-peg stablecoins and buy below-peg one. Hence, the Gravity system was developed to maintain the stable price will be the coins by bringing stablecoin prices closer to their peg. Also, this is the first iteration of SpaceSwap governance. The most users that are onboarded, the most efficient and transparent the governance process will become. We value your feedback and proposal related to any governance issues. Eligibility. If you use this site, the application and the services you state that you are at least 18, don't break any laws of your jurisdiction, and by using this site, the application and the service are not located, established, or registered in any jurisdiction listed below title. Prohibited localities. General, you may not use the service site app if you're otherwise barred from using the service site app under applicable law. Legality. You are solely responsible for adhering to all laws and regulations applicable to you and your use of access of the service site app. If your use of access of the service site app conflicts with any applicable law, rule, or regulation, you may not use service or app. I am going through the SpaceSwap legal advice. It's a legal page from here. They have described every possible legal action they can take or they have provided in the system. By using or accessing the service site app, you represent that you are not subject to sanction or otherwise designated on any list of prohibited or restricted parties or excluded or denied persons, included but not limited to the list of maintained by the United Nations Security Council, the European Union, or its member state, or any other government authority. We make no representation or warrants that the information, products, or services provided through our services. Our approaches for access or use in other jurisdictions. You are not permitted to access or use our service in any jurisdiction or country if it would be contrary to the law or regulation of that jurisdiction of if it would subject us to the loss of or any registration requirement with such jurisdiction, we reserve the right to limit the availability of our service. Prohibited localities. SpaceSwap does not onboard corporate accounts or entities or personal accounts located and established in precedent of some specific countries. The service provides a user interface that displays price information on virtual currency and otherwise facilitates the ability to execute a virtual currency transaction with other users. SpaceSwap is not in any way involved in such transaction even when the service are used in a way of execute the transaction. All transactions related to the service are excluded outside of the SpaceSwap direct or indirect control. SpaceSwap does not interact with the virtual currency involved in any stage of the transition. The services are constantly changing, so you might see features come and go as we continue to improve our experience and service our users. So, SpaceSwap is a very promising website or platform for your swapping need and your for DeFi protocol. So that can be your next big thing for your own good. Thank you very much.